Prince Harry's legal battles continue to generate controversy, with a recent court appearance resulting in a stern rebuke from the judge. The judge's reported admonishment to "get straight to the point or get out" highlights the increasing frustration with the protracted nature of the lawsuit and casts doubt on the merit of Harry's claims. This incident, however, points to a larger pattern of questionable decision-making and a tendency towards self-promotion and grandstanding that has characterized many of Harry's recent public actions. The specifics of the lawsuit remain shrouded in secrecy, adding to the sense of drama and controversy surrounding the case. The fact that the judge felt compelled to issue such a pointed warning suggests that Harry's legal team has failed to present their case in a clear, concise, and persuasive manner. This perceived lack of preparedness and organization raises questions about the seriousness of Harry's claims and suggests a potential lack of substance underlying the lawsuit. This legal setback comes at a time when Harry and Meghan Markle are facing intense scrutiny and criticism. Their highly publicized departure from royal life, their controversial Netflix documentary, and their outspoken criticisms of the British monarchy have alienated many royalists and generated a sense of public fatigue. While they have garnered support from certain segments of the population, particularly those who identify with their feminist ideals, they have also attracted a considerable amount of criticism. With many questioning their motives and accusing them of using their royal connections for personal gain, Markle, in particular, has been the target of considerable negative attention. Her outspokenness and her tendency to highlight her own experiences and struggles have been perceived as self-serving and insensitive. Her recent book, The Bench, a children's storybook that was widely perceived as a thinly veiled attempt to garner sympathy and portray herself as a victim, was met with lukewarm reception, further fueling the criticism surrounding her. The legal difficulties faced by Harry also cast a shadow over his broader public image and his attempts to establish himself as a credible advocate for various causes. His tendency towards self-promotion and his perceived lack of focus and consistency have generated skepticism from many who have followed his post-royal life. The judge's rebuke is viewed as a public display of disapproval, not just of the legal strategy but also of Harry's perceived lack of seriousness and his apparent tendency to prioritize grandstanding over substance. The outcome of the lawsuit remains uncertain, but the judge's stern warning signals that the court is growing impatient. The incident underscores the challenges Harry faces in navigating the complexities of the legal system, particularly when dealing with high-profile cases that attract intense public scrutiny and media attention. His ability to achieve a favorable outcome will depend on his ability to present a clear, well-argued case, and overcome the perception that his actions are motivated by personal ambition and a desire for attention rather than a genuine pursuit of justice. The judge's rebuke serves as a stark reminder of the seriousness of the situation and the need for a focused and persuasive legal strategy.